Welcome to DECOLOVA, your go-to channel for everything home design. Today, we're diving deep into a timeless and hauntingly beautiful theme, Gothic Revival. As Halloween approaches, we're going to show you how to bring this dramatic and elegant style into your home with a touch of dark mystery. If you're ready to transform your living space into something that exudes both sophistication and an eerie charm, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the key elements of Gothic Revival design: rich, dark tones, luxurious textures, and the perfect accents that evoke a hauntingly beautiful space. Whether you're redesigning an entire room or simply adding Halloween touches, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the inspiration and practical tips to elevate your decor with a Gothic twist. Before we jump into the design tips, let's take a quick look at where Gothic Revival comes from and how its elements are perfect for Halloween. Gothic Revival was born in the late 18th century as a romanticized version of medieval Gothic architecture. It emerged in Europe, especially in England, as a reaction to the Industrial Revolution. Designers and architects longed for a return to the grandeur and spirituality of the Gothic style, which was characterized by towering arches, intricate detailing, and an overall sense of drama. This style is often associated with cathedrals and castles, making it the perfect inspiration for a Halloween design theme. Its key elements: dark wood, high ceilings, and deep, moody color palettes evoke mystery and elegance. Imagine combining these features with eerie Halloween accents like cobwebs, skulls, and ravens. Gothic Revival is not just about spooky vibes. It's about creating a sense of timeless, haunting beauty. Let's start with the foundation of any room, the color palette. For a Gothic Revival-inspired space, deep, dramatic colors are key. The hallmark of Gothic Revival decor is its rich, moody color palette. Think of deep reds, purples, forest greens, and, of course, plenty of black. These tones bring a sense of depth and mystery to any room. For Halloween, these shades create the perfect backdrop for more decorative elements like candles, skulls, and Victorian-style chandeliers. But it's important to find balance. You don't want your space to feel too overwhelming or dark. Consider pairing deep hues with lighter, metallic accents like gold or silver, which can catch the candlelight and add a touch of elegance. Velvet furniture in rich tones like burgundy or emerald also adds texture and warmth, making the space feel inviting, despite its mysterious undertones. Once you've set the tone with color, it's time to talk about furniture. Gothic Revival furniture has a very distinct look, ornate, dramatic, and often antique-inspired. One of the easiest ways to introduce Gothic Revival into your home is through the use of statement furniture. Look for pieces with heavy wood carvings, such as ornate chairs, dark wood tables, and cabinets with intricate detailing. Victorian-style armchairs or chaise lounges upholstered in dark velvet add a touch of luxury and drama to the room. These pieces should feel grand and substantial, almost like they belong in an old castle or manor. For a Halloween twist, you can enhance this furniture with dark accessories. Think skull pillows, faux fur throws in dark gray or black, and tall, iron candelabras to bring that sense of eerie elegance. The goal is to evoke a sense of historical grandeur while weaving in a subtle, spooky vibe. Lighting is crucial when setting the mood in a Gothic-inspired space. Let's explore how to use light to create a balance between drama and warmth. In Gothic design, lighting is essential to create that dark, mysterious atmosphere, especially for Halloween. Opt for low lighting. Candlelight is a must. Incorporate tall candelabras, wrought iron chandeliers, or vintage-style lamps with intricate designs. For a modern touch, LED candles can give you the flickering effect of real candles while maintaining safety. Don't forget about layered lighting. Adding table lamps with dark, stained glass shades, or even a crystal chandelier can offer both function and drama. You can also use light to highlight specific features in your room, like a dramatic archway, a piece of antique furniture, or artwork. Shadows and light play a big role in the Gothic style, so don't be afraid to let some corners remain in the dark, adding to the mysterious, haunted feel of the space. Now that the furniture and lighting are set, let's dive into the fun part, decorating for Halloween with Gothic accents. Halloween gives you the perfect opportunity to go all out with your Gothic decor. Start by incorporating dark, Victorian-inspired accessories like mirrors with ornate frames, antique vases, and vintage candelabras. Use these as centerpieces or mantle decorations to give the space an authentic, old-world charm. For a more Halloween-specific vibe, add touches like cobwebs, black roses, skulls, and vintage apothecary bottles. You can drape black lace or velvet over furniture or windows to heighten the dark, luxurious aesthetic. Look for raven or bat motifs, which are both classic Gothic and Halloween. Faux taxidermy and haunted portraits are also great conversation pieces that combine eerie with elegant. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the little details that will bring your Gothic Halloween decor to life. Details matter when you're creating a space inspired by Gothic Revival. Consider adding small touches like velvet pumpkins, silver trays with black candles, or vintage-style clocks. The key is to find pieces that are both functional and decorative. For example, a dark, Victorian-style tea set on a coffee table can double as decor and a conversation starter at your Halloween party. Lastly, don't forget about the scents. Scented candles in autumnal or smoky scents like sandalwood, cedar, or patchouli can enhance the atmosphere. You could also use incense or essential oils to create that old-world, mysterious feel. And there you have it. By incorporating these Gothic Revival trends, you can create a Halloween space that is dark, dramatic, and elegant all at once. Remember, the Gothic style is about blending drama with sophistication. You don't have to go overboard with Halloween-specific items. Instead, focus on timeless Gothic elements that will make your home look haunted yet stylish. We hope these tips inspire you to create a space that feels both mysterious and luxurious this Halloween. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to DECOLOVA for more interior design inspiration. Share your Gothic Revival transformations with us in the comments below or tag us on social media. Until next time, happy designing and have a spooktacular Halloween.